Today, we're recapping the 2019 real estate market for Tigard, Oregon, in zip codes 97223 and 97224. Alexa, turn my alarm off. My name is David Caldwell. I'm a principal real estate broker with Hillshire Realty Group. I've been a real estate broker since 2007, and I've actually lived in Tigard pretty much most of my life. So here's where we landed. The average sales price of the home in Tigard, this might change a little bit, but right now it looks like it came in at $435,714. And that's about $2,000 lower than 2018. So a little softer, nothing crazy. We saw just over 1,275 properties sell and about 1,600 homes list for sale. Days on market came in about 48 days. So if you were a home seller, from the time a sign came into the yard to the time you moved out, there was about a 90-day period. So 2019, it was kind of a tricky year for Tigard. The pace of sales still would indicate a seller's market. And we saw plenty of multiple offer situations. We saw 6 months where the average sales price was lower in 2019 than 2018. And around 20% of the homes that listed for sale are either still for sale or failed to sell. So we definitely seem to be in a market where there are more sellers than buyers. For an outlook, when we look at the first week of January 2020, Zillow estimates the Tigard market's going to increase by 0.8%. I have mixed feelings. I think we could see it go up or down by 1%, but I don't think we're going to see any drastic change. Great neighborhoods, above average condition homes are going to outperform the market. And I think if you have a house that's in below average condition and your neighborhood isn't so nice, it's going to be a more challenging time to sell your house than it has been in years past. So, like always, what does this mean? Well, for buyers, there's good deals and bad deals out there. It's really important you have a trusted advisor to help you identify the difference. Rates, they're still at 3-year lows. We're pretty much at historic rock bottoms. You're going to see rates, most projections say they're going to be in the mid-3s this year. So I think if you buy a house in 2020 and you look back a couple years from now, it's going to prove to be a good decision. When I bought my home in 2013, I think rates were in the mid-4s. Sellers, you get to choose if you're going to be one of the sellers who sells or who doesn't. If we just look at homes above 600,000, there were 235 properties that listed for sale and only 135 sold. So this year I think is about strategy and making sure that your home is really positioned for the market. If you aren't well positioned for the market, I just think success is going to be more challenging. So again, my name is David Caldwell. I'm a principal real estate broker with Hillshire Realty Group. If we can help you in buying or selling, we would love to. We're wishing you a fantastic 2020.